Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on all things beauty and personal care. Today, we're diving into the world of natural hair care with a focus on the best Rainbow Henna Black available in the market. I'm excited to introduce you to the Rainbow Research Henna Hair Color and Conditioner in Persian Black Deep Ebony. Now, if you're looking for a hair coloring solution that's not only effective but also completely natural, this product might just be what you need. Let's delve into why this has become a favorite among those seeking a safe and botanical approach to hair dyeing. The Rainbow Research Henna Hair Color and Conditioner is a 100% botanical product, meaning it contains no additives, chemicals, or pesticides. It's essentially pure henna, which is known not only for its coloring properties but also for conditioning and nourishing the hair. This particular shade, Persian Black Deep Ebony, is designed to give you a rich, deep black color. It comes in a convenient 4-ounce bottle, which is perfect for those who want to try it out or for regular users who need to touch up their roots. Now, let's talk about how easy it is to use. You simply mix the henna powder with water to create a paste, apply it to your hair, and leave it on for a few hours for the best results. The longer you leave it, the deeper the color will develop. One of the standout features of Rainbow Henna is its conditioning properties. Unlike traditional hair dyes that can strip your hair of its natural oils, henna actually strengthens and adds volume to your hair while coloring it. It's a win-win for those looking to enhance their hair's health while changing up their look. Plus, it's suitable for all hair types and textures. Whether you have straight, curly, or coily hair, henna works with your natural hair structure to give you a personalized color that looks vibrant and natural. Now, how does Rainbow Research stack up against other henna hair dyes in the market? Some henna products can be diluted or mixed with other chemicals, but Rainbow Henna prides itself on being 100% henna with no compromises. While there are other brands out there, many users appreciate Rainbow Henna for its consistency in color, ease of application, and the fact that it's cruelty-free and environmentally friendly. People love how it covers grays effectively, how it leaves their hair feeling soft and manageable, and of course, the fact that it's a natural alternative to synthetic dyes. So, wrapping up, if you're looking for a hair dye that not only colors but also cares for your hair naturally, Rainbow Research Henna Hair Color and Conditioner in Persian Black Deep Ebony is definitely worth trying. Its blend of botanical ingredients ensures your hair not only looks good but feels healthy too. That's all for today's review on Product Critique. If you've tried this product or have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more unbiased reviews and beauty tips. Until next time, take care and stay beautiful.